Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Dodge Durango GT all-wheel drive. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite, looks fantastic. You got that Dodge badging up front there with your projector-style headlights right there and your fog lights down there. And coming around the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims with our tires. They look great, the Bridgestone brand tires. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there with the turning signal on them. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got the GT badging, as well as the Dodge and the Durango. Backup cameras right there, and it is an automatic open, just like that. You got your parking sensors back there as well. Lots of room back here, looks fantastic. Got some extra storage right there. As well, you do have some extra storage underneath there. And then you can fold these guys forward just like that, giving you even more room. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We have that button to open up the back, our remote start, and our panic button there. It does also have proximity keyless entry, so all you gotta do is put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. Now, on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks, as well as you do have your handle here. You have your handle here and the seat memory and some storage down here. Looks fantastic in here. The leather seats are very comfortable, and they do have the red trim on it. Looks great. You got the controls over the seats here, so back and forward, tilt and lumbar support. And then up here we do have the controls over lights, so auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our fog lights, in-cabin light control right there. And up here we do have the control over our turning signals, our windshield wipers, and our high beams. Let's start her up. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up. Now in the center we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center there it does tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 20,000, not too bad at all. Now you can also switch that around in the center there to our fuel economy, our trip A. We also have our stop start options, our audio, messages, screen setup, our speedometer, and back to our vehicle info. That is control from right here. We do have our Bluetooth options, we have our paddle shifters there, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And then in the center we do have our touchscreen display. Looks fantastic. You got your radio here, so you do have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through your USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Your climate control here, and it is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. Your Uconnect apps right there. Your controls over your heated seats, as well as your heated steering wheel. Your phone options and your settings there. And when you are in reverse, you have the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. In the center here, we do have the control over the volume with the power, mute, our hazard lights, screen off, and our browser over there. AC and circulation, temperature control, power off auto, front and rear defrost, and then down over here we do have our parking sensors, stop start, eco mode, sport mode, and then we do also have our traction control. Get USB and aux cord plugins there with your gear shift. You do also have your cup holders and a little bit of storage there. Your armrest doubles as a storage container with 2 layers, and then you do have your glove box right over here with your owner's manual inside of it. And then up top you have your universal garage door opener, the controls over the sunroof, your lights there, and a sunglass holder. And there's our sunroof looking great. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Looks fantastic in here as well. It is very spacious, and you do have those leather seats back here. Now you can fold this guy down. You got an armrest with some cup holders. You also have some USB plugins and heated seats. Then you can also fold this guy down right here, and you have access to the back. So it does seat 7 people altogether. As well, you do have your cup holders right there. There's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2018 Dodge Durango GT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.